Okay, it's August 26, 2023, and it's Saturday. I looked online. I saw that Nike Factory Store Online scam is trending, maybe legit as well. People want to know if nikefactorystore.online, a website that's not nike.com, is a scam. And to me, it does look like it's going to be a scam because it goes through several different redirects. If you go to the website, nikefactorystore.online, and I don't know how dangerous it is. It looks dangerous. nikefactorystore.online. You hit enter into your browser, and then if you watch your address bar, it goes through several websites, maybe 3 or 4, and you end up on Nike.com. And the URL you end up with is not like an affiliate ID. It's not like whoever's doing this is just trying to get commission or anything like that I can tell. And it does look like a scam for sure. And I recommend that if you want to buy Nike shoes, go to Nike.com, go to a trustworthy, big online store you've heard of, or go to a place in your town, a physical store. Don't visit some sketchy website that might be pretending to be Nike that has Nike in their URL. Nike would never make a new website for their outlet stores and call it like, they wouldn't choose .online. .online is not normally used by professional, legitimate businesses. I'm not saying there aren't businesses out there that are legitimate that have .online for their domain suffix. Most people go with .com or maybe .net, right? You know that. So stay far away from this sort of thing. Don't believe this. If you did click on a link that took you to that website and it took you to Nike.com, I visited it myself. I don't think it's dangerous necessarily to click on a link or do something. I think that maybe they're something's happening there that's scammy. I can't really explain it because I'm not, that tech savvy. What I am saying though is it looks like a scam. Stay far away from it. And yeah, that's just about it. I don't need to stretch this video out anymore. Hit the like button down below, the thumbs up button. I'm making this video on a Saturday. That would help me out if you hit like. Also, off to the right of the like button is a thanks button. It's a heart-shaped symbol with a $sign. If you want to tap that, that'd be great. Thank you so much for watching.